Hi everyone, here we've got a OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now let's find the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now, just like that. Now let's get back. Now let's go to the system, let's scroll, and here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show the window, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location, or show visual feedback for tabs. If you want to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher right on it. And as you can see, the feature is immediately applied and activated. Of course, you can turn it off, just go back to the option and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, it is disabled. No worries if you can see the option without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, simply tap on it in order to open much more settings. Okay, so actually if you are done with the customization of developer options, simply turn them off by tapping on this switcher. Let's get back, and as you can see, they simply disappear from our system settings. If you want to customize them again, then go back to the build number step and actually keep tapping. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.